Yeah, is that Bella and Papa?
That piece of hair. Oh.
Hi.
Happy.
Hey, you. What are you playing with, your belly? Is that your new book? Bubbles, Bubbles? Hi, honey. Oh, headband comes off.
All done.
All done.
All done.
You gonna sit down and read? Good job reading. Or they have bubbles? Look at the bubbles. You love bubbles, right?